With Alarm.com for Business, it's easy to always keep an eye on your business, no matter where you are. Whether you're in the back room or back at home, experience a full suite of services designed to secure every aspect of your business. Alarm.com for Business combines commercial intrusion detection, video surveillance, access control, and energy management into a single, cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Our enterprise dashboard gives you ultimate control over all of your business locations and users, delivering key operational data and visibility to make informed business decisions in real time. When you're on the go, the Alarm.com app can proactively notify you of any issues, letting you take action with one tap. Use the exclusive Business Activity Analytics feature on our commercial-grade cameras to intelligently track the movement of people in and around your business. It can even tell you the busiest times of day, so you can better manage traffic flow and improve the customer experience. When your most important resource is your time, it's important to ensure your business performs exactly as you need it to when it matters most. That's why Alarm.com is on guard 24/7 to keep track of activities with daily, weekly, and monthly reports to help you run your business more efficiently. Our technology is built by experts, but you don't have to be an expert to use it. Rely on our network of authorized providers to customize a business system that fits your business needs, even as they change or grow. With Alarm.com, everything in your business works together to keep you, your customers, and your employees safe, secure, and connected.